Sunshine Cruz.
Oo.
Oo. Abay, nag-post siya ng ito, babasahin ko Babasahin ko sa tulong ng Ideal Vision.
Ay, oo.
Eyeglass.
Diba?
Yet another offer I had to decline. My 12th, to be exact, after Unbreak My Heart. I appreciate being kept in mind. At this moment, my myasthenia gravis is impacting my ability to perform at the level I'd expect of myself. Still undergoing series of tests, and I am positive that once they are complete, I'll be able to deliver at my best.
Ano yung myasthenia?
Myasthenia gravis
Oo, ano po yun ay?
is a long-term neuromuscular junction disease that leads to varying degrees of skeletal muscle weakness. The most commonly affected muscles are those of the eyes, face, and swallowing. Yung paglunok. It can result in double vision, drooping eyelids, and difficulties in talking and walking.
Ano daw, Josa?
Pauso ko mamaloy.
Kanina, bakit nang dakdak siya ng mga physical? Physical.
English.
So yun, anyway.
Kung tungkol pala sa face na yun, naapektuhan talaga nung sakit na yan, baka yun nga talaga yung dahilan. Ba't niya dinidecline yung mga offer ng acting, di ba?
Oo, nakakaloka. So, get well soon, sunshine, ha?
Naku,